Hey everybody, this is Rob again. Word has been going around about the Bambi Challenge. Bambi Challenge is Mr. Rob Blumberg's creation, and it's gone out to 20-some people. And here is mine. I don't need to show the address, but this is the Bambi Challenge. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing to let everybody see what this looks like ahead of time. Last night on Charles' live stream, 8 guys, including Mr. Blumberg himself, did the challenge. And it looked to be very tasty. Okay, so we pull the package out, or the paper out. Oh man. Take a look at the spices on there. And Adam just took a big, oh my, and walked back.
Number 4 just looks crazy.
Number 4 looks crazy. Number 3 looks crazy. Number 2 looks crazy. And I'm going to regret doing this, but oh, they just smell hot even. Well, Mr. Blumberg, my package has been received. It has arrived. And that number 4 looks just unbelievable. All of these pieces look great. And you know how you can feel how soft and chewy the jerky is. These feel just perfect, especially number 4 being as thick as it is. That one's going to be really chewy. Mr. Rob, thank you. Thank you very much for including me in this. I don't know how far I'm going to get in it, but with the reactions from everybody last night, it looks like it's going to be quite tasty, because more people were saying it tastes really good versus being overly hot. So that's a good thing. But anyway, I wanted to do a quick little video showing the unboxing of this interesting little challenge, and also to say thank you to Mr. Rob Blumberg. Yeah, you can find him on the PLC, and he's on Charles Polk's or Charles P's live stream that they do on Sunday nights, so you can go there and chat with him if you want. And yeah, find him on the PLC, and I already said that. But I'm scared, but I'm excited, but I'm scared, but I'm excited. This could prove to be very interesting. This isn't the first time that Mr. Blumberg has done the venison like this. He sent out 3 before, sampled flavors before, and I got the honor of being one of them. And the hottest one there, I had a little bit of trouble with. You know, I was still able to eat it, and I finished it off, but I didn't finish it all off in one sitting. According to Mr. Blumberg, number 1 here is hotter than the number 3 in the last one. So these are 4 more steps up. Alright, so if all goes right, we should be doing this challenge tonight on the Meetups live show on RevToast TV. So if you catch that, well, if you see this video beforehand, which most of my views are beforehand, be sure to check it out tonight. If you're watching afterward, RevToast, REVTOS TV, you can go for look for the Meetups live and today's dates, which is what, 8/13. So 8/13/18, and watch the replay of it. But yeah. Okay, I'm nervous. And the more I'm thinking about it, the more nervous I'm getting. But it'll be fun. Alright, so I wanted to do the quick unboxing with it. Or opening, because I guess it's not in the box. And there we saw it. Proof positive that I did get it. And yeah, I want to thank you much for watching. You can always hit that subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment. I usually get back to people within a day or so with the comments. And yeah. Alrighty. I will catch you later. Bye.